Hi dears, happy to connect you all and welcome to our channel Around Us. This is Bala with me Surag.
Today we can see very basic Excel shortcuts which will be very useful to your professional as well as your personal life. Let's begin with a simple shortcuts. Let's understand the function of shortcut method by using control key with the combination of alphabetic letters.
Let's understand the shortcut key Ctrl plus A function. If we wanted to select the box by depressing the control button, simultaneously depress the A button, the entire box will get selected. Now, this is the shortcut function Ctrl plus A, and if I want to select the entire sheet, the same method has to be followed up. Depress the control button and simultaneously depress the A button. The entire sheet will get selected. Now the next function is Control V. Let's see. If I wanted to make the letters bold in the given box, let's depress the control button and simultaneously press the B button. Now you can see all the letters become bold. Now I wanted to unbold it. You have to select the entire box, press the control button, simultaneously depress the B button. Now all the letters got unbold. Now the next function is Control C. If we wanted to copy any information in the given Excel sheet or in the field, select the sheet or select the box and depress the control button and simultaneously depress the C button. Now we can see a line is running around the selected box and we wanted to paste the same information anywhere in the Excel sheet. Please select the cell and depress the control button and simultaneously depress the V button. Then the entire information get pasted. The next function is Control D. If we wanted to drag down the selected cell information to the rest of the below cells, select the selected information and the empty cells, depress the control button and press the D button. So the entire above information will be dragged down to the below cells. The next function is Control F. This function is used to find out the specific text information in the given data or in the sheet. If you wanted to locate where the X is located in the given data, now depress the control button and simultaneously depress the F button and a pop-up message will appear on the screen. Now you have to type the information where you wanted to locate. For example, X is the information we wanted to locate and click the Find All button. Now it will show the information. Now you click the same, it will select the information where it has been located.
Thank you dears. This is the end of this session. We will continue to post videos further and thank you for watching. Hope that it is useful.